Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Conquer College Admissions. In this video, we have something very special. We've been running our Passion Project Bootcamp program for many years, and this is our 1-year group college counseling program. Now, we've also created a digital online course version as well. This is where you can go through all our units and resources, and it's great because it is completely self-paced and you get the resource lifetime. So you can share it with your siblings and it's just great. I decided to do this digital course because so many families asked for a resource that students could use as soon as possible. So whether you're in 6th grade, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, it doesn't matter. You want to dive into this now. It's an accumulation of everything that is included in the college admissions process that you need to know. It's my 14 plus experience all into a single course, and also the investment is definitely more approachable. So I hope that a lot of you enroll in it and start taking this online course. I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of the online course so you know exactly what you get. So head on over there. Hi, this is Julie, and in this video I'm going to walk you through our PPBC self-paced online course. This is great for students who are just starting out with their college admissions journey, want to figure out what your major should be, what steps you need to take, and always start early with your college admissions process. So this is a self-paced online course and you will get access to this lifetime, so you can start whenever you want and you can go through it at your own pace, which is awesome. So when you enroll in the online course here, I have a quick welcome video for you. We have an extensive workbook that will accompany this course, and then you could also purchase one-on-one calls with me if you want to, but in the beginning you could just go through the online course so you get some foundational knowledge regarding your college admissions process. Unit 1 is about mindset. Mindset is such an important part of this process because if you don't feel confident enough, if you don't feel good enough, this process is going to be very hard. So mindset is my number one thing, so important. And then I'm going to walk you through what is it that the colleges are looking for, and then also how to create your theme. This is our most popular unit because this is going to be the main reason why your application is unique. So I'm going to teach you how to find your major, how to find your personal interest, SPV, and all that good stuff. And then brainstorming your passion project is here, execution and how to get media publication, how to land research positions and all the email templates and organizers, and how to go about contacting professors. Unit number 6 is about networking with your college admission officers. Unit 7 is all about SAT and ACT plans. And Unit 8, we put in all the application material items as well, so you can get a head start on this, including how to build your college list. We also have some additional resources on how to select your classes, certificate courses, college classes, resume, LinkedIn training, how to manage your time, and how to set your goals. Everything is in here. I hope you enroll in the self-paced online course for Passion Project Bootcamp and get started as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this behind the scenes backstage of the Passion Project Bootcamp self-paced online course, and we'll go ahead and put in the link to the online course purchase link in the info box so you can go ahead and get started right away.